Antarctica's blood falls, the frozen waterfall that bleeds red. Imagine a place so cold, so lifeless, that even time itself seems frozen. This is Antarctica, the edge of the world. A land of endless ice, silence, and death. But deep within this frozen wilderness, something impossible happens. A waterfall that bleeds, like blood. They call it Blood Falls. A frozen waterfall that seems to bleed from the heart of the ice itself. The mystery begins. When scientists first discovered it, they were stunned. Blood, in Antarctica? Flowing out of solid ice? There were no animals here, no plants, no wounds to bleed. Then what was this red river of death? Some believed it was volcanic activity hidden under the glacier. Others whispered about ancient curses, or something alive beneath the ice. The place of Blood Falls. Blood Falls lies within the Taylor Glacier, in East Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys. One of the coldest, driest, and most remote places on Earth. Here, the air freezes your breath, and nothing grows for hundreds of miles. Yet right here, in the heart of this frozen desert, a crimson waterfall refuses to die. The science behind the blood. When scientists finally sampled the water, they uncovered the truth. This was not blood, it was something even more extraordinary. Beneath the ice lies an ancient lake trapped for millions of years. Its water is filled with iron and salt, locked away from sunlight and air. When this iron-rich brine finally reaches the surface and touches oxygen, it reacts just like rust turning deep red. So the waterfall isn't bleeding, it's rusting. The hidden world beneath. But the real shock came next. Inside that hidden lake, scientists found life. Tiny microorganisms living in total darkness. Without sunlight, oxygen, or warmth. They survive by feeding on iron and sulfur, creating energy from chemistry itself. These are survivors of an ancient world. Life that's been frozen for millions of years. Still breathing beneath the ice. Secrets of an ancient ocean. Many researchers now believe Blood Falls is the last breath of an ancient ocean that once covered this land. A sea trapped as the glaciers advanced. Animation, Earth's climate shifting, ice swallowing ocean. And deep within that prison of ice, the sea never died. It adapted. It created its own world. A hidden ecosystem untouched since the dawn of time. A message from another world. For scientists, Blood Falls is more than a mystery. It's a window into other worlds. If life can survive here without light, air, or warmth, then maybe it can survive on Mars, or the icy moons of Jupiter. Blood Falls has shown us one simple truth. Life always finds a way. The frozen heart still bleeds. Every year, this crimson waterfall bleeds again, reminding us that beneath the silence of the ice, something ancient still lives. Is it just a chemical reaction? Or is Antarctica trying to tell us something? This is the story of Blood Falls. A frozen waterfall that bleeds red. And the hidden heartbeat of a dying world. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's deadliest mysteries, make sure to subscribe to Deadliest Earth. where we uncover the secrets buried beneath our planet's surface.